Nepal is multicultural country. Then we have very long history. Especially 240 years, the monarchy, the king ruled over. Before 5 years only, we declared that we have the democracy. Even though in monarchy or anarchy, there are multicultural, so many languages, so many cultures in the country. More than 100 of languages spoken into the country. Even though they have their own unity, they have their own identification, they speak Nepalese. Even they speak Nepalese, that's the national language, but they have own native languages. But our group is multicultural group, and we don't want to what to do this.
Yeah.
We don't want to share our what do we have. That's we have enough culture, enough things. So maybe that's the reason.
Yes.